up, everybody? Just watched my last video. I'm super tired. Sad face. Okay, so I don't have an explanation of why I'm so tired, and here's what I'm going to try. If you want a list of all the things that I've tried before, go back to the last video. I do not, or I try not to jump on the fad bandwagon anymore. I have done it in the past, but I don't do it anymore. Those, eat this, take that, take this supplement, having this in your diet, go this route, go that, I think everything in moderation and you'll be fine. However, as I discussed previously, I'm tired and there's no medical reason why. So I saw a post from a friend of mine about the symptoms of gluten intolerance that probably aren't known. Now, I'm not claiming to have celiac disease. I'm sure that my symptoms, should gluten intolerance prove to be my issue, that I would have much more severe symptoms, and I can't even imagine the pain that those folks go through. I am, again, not jumping on the gluten-free bandwagon. However, this list of symptoms of gluten intolerance, I have a few things that are on that list that apparently cannot be medically explained. So, it's, if you can believe it, depression and anxiety are two of those symptoms. And I've struggled with depression and anxiety my whole life. Now, I'm not saying that they're related to gluten in any way, shape, or form, but they're on that list and I have them. Okay? Skin problems, specifically psoriasis or acne. Now, I am nearing 40 years old, okay? I am closer to 40 than I am to 30, and I still get acne like a teenager. I wash my face, I moisturize, I do all of the things, and are you kidding? Why is that a thing? Of course, you have the bloating and the stomach pain, which I suffer from time to time. Not as much anymore, but it does occur. It could be related to dumping syndrome from bariatric surgery. It could be related to supposed irritable bowel that I've had forever and a day. But it's on the list. I've suffered from it. Smelly poops. Just saying. I think everybody has smelly poops, but I think that they're implying that they're aggressively smelly. And last is tiredness. Tiredness is a symptom, and as you know, I'm exhausted all the time, and I don't have a reason, and it's sudden. Like, I will be fine, and then all of a sudden I can't keep my eyes open, like I need to go nap. And I yawn all the time, and I don't know why. There's a whole bunch of other things on that list. I'm not going to go through everything because I don't have everything. And I don't think that everybody has to have everything. You're not going to have every symptom to suffer from a disorder, right? Or an intolerance or an allergy, like an allergy to something, an allergy to grass. You could have hives and swelling and dry mouth and sore throat and runny eyes and runny nose, or you might just have one. So I don't expect to have every symptom, but I have a few on that list. A few other things are like leg and arm numbness, joint pain, muscle pain. There's a bunch of other things. I don't have any of those, so I'm not really going to talk about them. But I have a few where there's really no medical explanation as to why I suffer from these things. So let's give it a shot. So today is May 17th. I have this is this is so fat girl of me, but I have some treats, gluten heavy treats in my house right now that I really don't want to throw out. So I'm probably gonna start in a couple of days. But I am going to try a gluten-free diet for a little bit. I'm sorry. And see if it helps. And then I'm just gonna, have a couple of gluten items and see how they make me feel. And then we'll see. And if it helps, it helps. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not an experiment that's gonna cost a lot of money or mean that I have to, buy equipment or supplements or it endangers my health in any way. Like, it's an easy thing to try. So I'm going to try it and we'll see. Maybe I'll get an explanation of to why I'm so tired. If I don't, feel free to let me know why you're tired. And if you figured it out, what did you do? Because I can't figure it out. But I look forward to, trying out being gluten-free. Stay tuned.